All right, so I'm here at 2805 Wicker Way in Denton. This is the exterior of the home. It looks nice. It's got some good curb appeal to it. Got a Bradford pear tree in the yard. The location's good. The neighborhood's nice. It's all kind of similar homes. Quiet neighborhood. I just wanted to show you the side yard. Very decent side yard over here. So yeah, I think the location is fine. It's a decent sized neighborhood. This house is kind of at the front of the neighborhood. Get a little look down the street. Like I said, similar houses. This is house next door. AC's over here. It's probably the original. So house was built in 2010. So the water heater's the original. I think the AC probably is too. I couldn't find the date sticker on it, but it looks like it's pretty close to 10 to 15 years old. Okay, so this is the house. So when you walk in, got the living room. So the house is small. It says it's 1,300-ish square feet. Honestly, it feels smaller than that to me. It's pretty tight squeeze in here. And they've got a few different floorings, which I don't really love. So they've got carpet in the bedrooms. They've got this laminate, I think, in the living room, and then part of the way down the hallway, and then they've got a different tile in the kitchen. But so the fireplace in the living room is a gas starter. Fan's good. Windows here don't have blinds on them. That's the door to the garage. Then this is the kitchen. Kitchen's okay. The cabinets are fine. The appliances are old, kind of cheap, and I would replace them. Sink's kind of cheap. I'd probably replace that too. The backsplash is nice. Like I said, the cabinets are fine. But these are just like a cheap Formica countertop. It's actually in pretty good shape. So you could either leave that or replace it, but I would definitely replace the appliances. Spend a few $1,000s and that would make a big difference. I mean, dishwasher, you can get a stainless steel for like $400 or $500. Same with the microwave, a few $100s, and then probably $1,000, $1,200 on a stainless steel stove. And I think it would make a big difference in the kitchen. Would need to buy a refrigerator. Pantry. The paint is okay. I personally think it would look better if you repainted. It's just, there's some areas that are a little beat up. It's not terrible, but I think fresh paint would give it a nice look. Here's the garage, attached 2-car garage. Water heater's here. It's a 2009 actually. Got some attic access. Garage door opener. Electrical panel here. But pretty standard 2-car garage. All right, so we'll go see the master first. A little coat closet. So again, you transition to carpet. It's not my favorite carpet. It's kind of a grayish blue carpet. Room's not that big, but I mean, for our purposes, you really want to be able to get a king bed, probably 2 nightstands, and a piece of furniture at least, probably like a dresser and a TV in here. And I think you could do that. You could either put the bed on this side and the TV on this wall, which looks like what they had probably done before. Cables over here, or the other way around. You can kind of see the paint there. It's been touched up and doesn't look good. But yeah, so it's a small, paint. It's a small master, but we could probably fit the minimum of what we needed in here. Jacuzzi tub. The shower. I think the shower is okay. The only thing I really saw is that this is all stain. I think it's just stain. I think some bleach and a really good clean would take care of it. But yeah, the shower pan needs a very good clean at the least. Toilets over there. Then you've got 2 sinks. I mean, this is kind of a small area for a master, but it's okay. The sink is kind of cracked and beat up. So if it was me, I would replace this and put a piece of granite in and a couple of new sinks, and it would make a big difference. So this is the master space. Small but decent. And then on the other side of the house, we have the secondary bedrooms and 1 more bathroom, as well as the utility area. So it's really just a kind of a closet here. So dryer would go here, washer goes here. So looks like they did some type. So they've got a plug there. Maybe they added a gas line for a gas dryer, which is kind of old school. I think that's what they did, because the house does have gas, so I think they put that line in for a gas dryer. So flooring here, and then it transitions to the carpet here in the hallway for these 2 bedrooms. So secondary bedroom definitely needs paint in here. This is a small room. Both of these rooms are quite small. I mean, you really need to be able to get a queen bed, at least a nightstand in here, and that's probably about all you could fit. It's pretty tight. And then this is the secondary bedroom. I mean, it's blue, so I definitely want to paint this room, but about the same size. I mean, these rooms are maybe 10 by 10, 10 by 9 maybe. They're pretty tight, so it would really just be a queen bed, 1 nightstand, and I think that's really all you could get in here. It does have this utility closet at the end of the hallway, which I think makes a good supply closet. So you would put a lock on here that the guests couldn't open, and then the cleaner would use that for supplies. Secondary bathroom. It's okay. I mean, they've at least got a piece of granite in here, tile flooring, and you've got the tub, which is in okay shape, but it's just kind of a plastic liner. So it's okay. Not nice, but we could clean it up and it would be decent. So that's the secondary bath, small. All right, and then outside, it's got a little patio. It's not covered, but the yard is pretty decent size. It's not very deep here, but there's space in each of the side yards. This one tree growing at the fence. The fence is okay. It's kind of been piecemealed. So this obviously is yours. I don't know if the neighbors put this in, but it's kind of a different color. And then across the back, the fence has lost the stain. Over to here, and then neighbors probably replace this part. So you probably need to at least restain the fence, otherwise it's going to start warping as the water gets to the wood. Exterior of the home looks good. I don't have information on the roof yet, but it looks good, at least from the ground. Siding all looks good. The only thing I see is that down here it looks like probably from a weed eater. It's chipped away some of the paint. But otherwise it looks pretty good. So that is it. I mean, I do think it needs paint. I think it needs new appliances. That would kind of be at a bare minimum. Maybe new countertops in the kitchen, not a must, but it would definitely help. I don't love the carpet, but it's actually in pretty good shape. It's just not the greatest color in my opinion. My biggest concern about this house though, location is good, but my concern is it's just small. So could we make it work? Yes, but it's gonna give you kind of the bare minimum that you need for a short-term rental. So